Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we're going to make Italian chicken, and we're going to start off with a topping first. So here I have 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 1 stick of melted butter. I'm going to throw just a little bit of Italian seasoning in there because we're keeping it Italian. Not that I'm Italian, but this is what we're doing. And then I'm going to say, also got Italian style cheese. And you could change everything. Like you could use panko, and you could use a different cheese with this. I would suggest Parmesan, but we're going to throw in not a cup, but a half a cup of cheese. That looks good. And we're going to stir this all up. And we're going to top the chicken with this. I like to get this part out of the way first. Okay, friends, and that's what it looks like. A nice crumbly mixture. Okay, now you're going to take your favorite Italian dressing. Or actually, it don't even have to be Italian dressing. It can be any dressing, just your favorite dressing, okay? And we're just going to pour some on the bottom of the pan. Okay, I just want to... Perfect. Okay, now you could use chicken breast. Today, I'm going to use chicken thighs. Then I am just going to try to strategically place them on top of the dressing. All right, however that looks like. I try to get most of the fat off as I can. Okay, and that's what it looks like for me. Sorry, it looks kind of dark in here. It's like we're going to have a storm, and it's like the whole kitchen is dark. I have got so many lights on in here, but it still seems dark. Okay, so here, take your mixture, and you want to just pack it on to your chicken. I think this is going to taste delicious. And just strategically keep packing it on. I really love making like toppings like this because it makes it just taste so good. Okay, that's what it looks like. So take your Italian dressing, just a little bit of drizzles. I wish I could like spray this in there. Just a little bit. And you know what? Honestly, I think it would probably even taste better if you were to put it on the chicken itself. But here am I right now forgetting. But this is going to work. Okay. And also, I just wanted to remind you, do save some of this if you're cooking like noodles to go with it. You don't have to, but if you're cooking noodles, you can add some of this to your noodles to enhance the flavor of your noodles. Okay, right now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350. I'm going to go with 30 minutes, but the goal is cook till your chicken's done, okay? And I'm hoping this is going to be a little bit crusty. Okay, friends. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I will definitely eat that. And I will have some leftovers for tomorrow. All right, so what I did was I just heated up some frozen green beans. I made some leftover noodles that I had. I did put a little bit of that sauce and butter in that with a little bit of pepper. Okay, now I'm going to scoop All right, I am going to need to put this plate down. Okay, I had to put the plate down so I can rustle that pan and get me a slice up. So this is done. The chicken is done. I cooked mine for 40 minutes because I wanted that crispiness that you see right there. And also, there's some juice like in that pan. I kind of put a little bit over the noodles and I put some on top. So I want to just dip it. Okay, here we go. The chicken is so tender. I just want to take a bite of these noodles because of that sauce in there. That's what I put on top of there. I love this one. This is a really, really good one. And it was so easy to make. Okay, my friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.